Shahzad, do you want to read it? And
Yeah, the title says Teray Khyal ka Chaand by Hammad as well, and he's going to sign this as well and give us the copy. But you can share a few couplets from this book as well before we, wrap
if you'd
up
like
the
to
segment.
recite.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Yes, why not? I would like to recite, well, without having any text in front of me. I can
So you remember
recite
that because you've written it. Yeah, go ahead.
ذات میں تیرے بغیر ایسا ادھورا پن ہے ذات میں تیرے بغیر ایسا ادھورا پن ہے کوئی بھی کام مکمل نہیں ہونے پاتا ذات میں تیرے بغیر ایسا ادھورا پن ہے کوئی بھی کام مکمل نہیں ہونے پاتا یوں تو افسانے محبت کے کہے جاتا ہوں یوں تو افسانے محبت کے کہے جاتا ہوں ایک تیرا نام مکمل نہیں ہونے پاتا.
Beautiful. That's amazing. And if you can translate it for our amazing people out there as well. So I think that'll be great. So I think of you.
Well, I can translate, but I think that it will lose the essence as we were, talking off the screen. Anyhow, I try if we have time.
Yeah, quickly. We need to quickly translate it, yes.
Okay. Zaat mein tere, without you, I feel hollow and I'm incomplete without you.
Okay.
And therefore, I leave things incomplete because I feel incomplete myself.
Okay.
Wow.
Very nice.
All
Great.
right.
Thank you so much for your time, and best of luck with the poetry release.
Thank
Okay,
you.
guys, we're going to go for a short break, and when you come back, as you mentioned at the beginning of the show, it is also World Humanity